This is Math 141, practice test 1. This is problem number 3. We're supposed to find all the possible zeros, or actually not all the possible zeros. We're supposed to find all the actual zeros of this. So if I think about possible zeros, it would be factors of 18 over factors of 2, positive or negative versions of that. So factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 18 over factors of 2, 1, and 2. So we've got a lot of possibilities. 1, 3, 6, 9, 18, and then all those divided by 2, positive and negative versions. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph it and just see what I can find. So what? It's already in there. How did that happen? So as I graph it, it looks like there's probably something at 2. Probably 1, 2, 3. Probably something at negative 3. This might be negative 1.5. I'm not sure. So I think that what I'll do is I'll just try that positive 2 and see what happens. So I'll do some synthetic division. How many x cubes? How many x squareds? How many x's? How many 1s? So bring it down. Multiply. Add. Multiply. Oh, this looks good. Add. Multiply. Yes. 2 is a 0. And just for the record, what I did was I factored out an x minus 2, and I was left with a 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. So, you know, now that I have a quadratic, I could run it through quadratic formula. I could try and factor that. It looked on my graph like I did have another 0 here at negative 3. So I'm just going to, I think synthetic division is so easy. I'm just going to try it again, negative 3. So bring it down, multiply, add, oh, look at that, multiply, yay. So again, what I did was, here I factored out an x plus 3. So now I have an x minus 2 times x plus 3, and I'm left with 2x minus 3. You can see it there. So that tells me 0, 0. I already know 2 of them. 2 and negative 3. So my zeros are 2, negative 3. And you might see, just by looking at it, what makes a 0 here. This is going to give me 3 halves. Oh, wait. It was plus. Plus. That'll give me a negative 3 halves. If you don't see it just by looking at it, set it equal to 0 and solve it, right? Subtract 3. Divide by 2. So there are my zeros.